how to log into your NOW Broadband account online. So in here, let me remind you guys that using your broadband account online actually means installing a specific application according to the place that you are living in. So if you're in the UK, you can actually install this Now Assist application through your App Store or Play Store, and you can simply open it, right? You can actually do a simple Google search, or if you're living in if you're living in a different area, which application you would need in order to use your Now Broadband account online. So like I said, you can actually request this application, then you can tap on begin, and after tapping on begin here, now what we're gonna do is select our tools. So let's just go with Wi-Fi coverage, then you can tap on continue, and you would need to actually allow the permission. So what are we going to do is simply select something else. Web browsing. You actually need the location permission, so make sure that you have enabled that permission just like this. And now we can now go back in here, and then what I'm going to do is simply tap on the option I'm next to the router. So after doing that here, you can simply tap on done, and like this you can actually check your Wi-Fi coverage. And in here, let's just say if you want to use the streaming and movies, you can simply tap on it, and then you can tap on I'm next to router, and you can simply tap on I'm there, and it will actually start scanning your network. And just like this, you don't actually need your own let's just say account online. You can simply install this application in order to check any sort of Now Broadband device analysis. So you can simply do that without needing any sort of specific account on this application. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.